What's up everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today you're in luck because I'm going to show you how to use Google Opal, Google's crazy new no-code AI app builder, to turn a simple text prompt into a fully functional, shareable app in under 2 minutes. Let's get right into it. First thing you need to do is to open your browser and head over to Google Opal. Once you sign in with your Google account, hit Create New. You'll see a blank canvas and a text box. All you have to do is describe exactly what you want your app to do in plain English. For example, a YouTube video summarizer, a tracking, budget app, etc. Now hit enter when you finish your prompt, then watch the magic happen. Opal instantly converts your text into a visual flowchart. Each step of your app is a node that you can drag, drop, and edit. And here is the massive new 2026 update. Google just added the agent step. Instead of manually choosing which AI model to use, you just drop an agent into your workflow. The agent automatically and autonomously decides if it needs to search the web. You can use Gemini for text or even trigger Nano Banana for images to accomplish your specific goal. And finally, once your flowchart looks good, hit the console button to test it out and make sure your logic works perfectly. Now, when you're ready, just click Publish. Google hosts the entire thing for free on their servers. You get an instant shareable link that you can send to your friends, your team, or your consumers so they can use your custom AI tool right in their browser. Isn't that amazing? It's literally just that easy to become an app developer today. If this quick tutorial and a Google Opal guide helped you out, please smash that like button and subscribe to our channel for more fastest tech tutorials on YouTube. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.